welcome back to Auto Analysis Hub. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2027 Isuzu Micro Expedition Camper, a compact adventure vehicle that is generating plenty of interest among outdoor enthusiasts and travelers who want a practical, affordable, and versatile camping solution. This review is based on research, automotive knowledge, and comparisons with other compact campers currently available in the market. If you're searching for a small, expedition-ready camper that combines everyday usability with off-grid capability, this vehicle could be worth your attention. At first glance, the 2027 Isuzu Micro Expedition Camper immediately stands out thanks to its compact dimensions and rugged appearance. Unlike large motorhomes that can be difficult to maneuver in crowded cities or narrow trails, this camper is designed to provide maximum functionality in a smaller footprint. The front fascia features a modern Isuzu-inspired design with updated LED headlights, a bold grille, and protective skid plates that emphasize its adventurous personality. The exterior styling is practical rather than flashy, but that's exactly what many expedition enthusiasts prefer. Durable body cladding surrounds the lower sections of the vehicle, helping protect against rocks, gravel, and rough terrain. Higher ground clearance allows the camper to handle uneven roads more confidently than traditional camper vans. Roof-mounted accessories, including storage racks and optional solar panels, add both functionality and visual appeal. Moving along the sides, you'll notice cleverly integrated storage compartments that make excellent use of every available inch. These compartments can accommodate camping equipment, tools, recovery gear, and outdoor accessories. Large side windows provide plenty of natural light while maintaining a modern appearance. The compact wheelbase contributes to excellent maneuverability, making this camper suitable for both urban environments and remote destinations. At the rear, practical design continues with a convenient access door and additional cargo solutions. Depending on the trim level, buyers may have access to optional bike racks, spare tire carriers, and expandable storage systems. Everything about the exterior appears purpose-built for adventure. Travel without becoming unnecessarily complicated. Stepping inside the cabin, the 2027 Isuzu Micro Expedition Camper demonstrates impressive space efficiency. Despite its compact size, the interior feels surprisingly open and welcoming. Designers have clearly focused on maximizing functionality while maintaining comfort for long journeys. The driver area features a modern dashboard equipped with a digital instrument cluster and a user-friendly infotainment system. A large touchscreen display provides access to navigation, smartphone connectivity, entertainment functions, and vehicle information. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility are expected to be available, allowing seamless integration with modern devices. The seating position is elevated, offering excellent visibility of the road ahead. Comfortable seats with improved cushioning help reduce fatigue during extended travel. Multiple storage compartments throughout the cabin allow occupants to keep personal items organized and easily accessible. Behind the front seats, the true camper experience begins. One of the most impressive aspects of this vehicle is its ability to transform a compact interior into a practical living space. Flexible seating arrangements can be converted into a sleeping area suitable for 2 adults. The bed design prioritizes comfort while remaining easy to set up and store. The compact kitchenette is another highlight. While not as elaborate as larger RV kitchens, it includes essential equipment for preparing meals during camping trips. Depending on configuration, owners may find a small refrigerator, portable cooking surface, sink, and storage cabinets for utensils and supplies. Every component is designed to maximize utility while minimizing space requirements. Storage solutions are abundant throughout the living area. Overhead compartments, under-seat storage, and cleverly hidden sections ensure travelers can pack efficiently for extended adventures. This thoughtful organization is one of the camper's strongest advantages. Another appealing feature is the use of durable materials throughout the cabin. Surfaces appear easy to clean and resistant to wear, which is especially important for outdoor-oriented vehicles. The overall atmosphere strikes a balance between practicality and comfort, making it suitable for weekend escapes as well as longer expeditions. When it comes to technology, the 2027 Isuzu Micro Expedition Camper aims to satisfy modern travelers. In addition to the infotainment system, buyers can expect multiple USB charging ports, wireless charging capability, onboard Wi-Fi functionality, and advanced navigation tools. Optional solar charging systems may further enhance off-grid capability by providing renewable energy for essential appliances. Safety remains a priority as well. Expected features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and multiple airbags. These technologies help make the camper more comfortable and reassuring to drive, especially on long journeys. Now let's talk about performance. While the exact specifications may vary depending on market availability, industry expectations suggest that the 2027 Isuzu Micro Expedition Camper will utilize an efficient diesel or hybrid powertrain designed to balance fuel economy and capability. Isuzu has a long-standing reputation for producing reliable commercial vehicles, and that expertise appears to influence this camper's engineering. Acceleration is expected to be smooth and predictable rather than aggressive. This vehicle is designed for exploration and practicality, rather than outright speed. The powertrain should provide sufficient torque for carrying camping equipment, climbing moderate inclines, and navigating challenging terrain. One area where the camper is expected to excel is fuel efficiency. Compared to larger RVs and motorhomes, its smaller size and lighter weight should translate into lower operating costs and longer travel ranges between refueling stops. For budget-conscious travelers, this could be a significant advantage. The suspension system has reportedly been tuned to provide a comfortable ride both on paved roads and rougher surfaces. Reinforced components and upgraded shock absorbers help improve stability when carrying additional camping gear. Whether you're traveling on highways, gravel roads, or remote trails, the vehicle aims to deliver confidence and comfort. Off-road capability is another major selling point. While it may not compete directly with extreme rock-crawling vehicles, the Micro Expedition Camper appears more than capable of handling dirt roads, forest trails, desert tracks, and mountain routes. Available all-wheel drive configurations could further enhance traction in challenging conditions. Noise insulation is expected to receive improvements over previous compact camper concepts. Reduced cabin noise contributes to a more relaxing travel experience, especially during extended highway journeys. Combined with comfortable seating and modern technology, this creates an enjoyable environment for both drivers and passengers. One of the most important considerations for potential buyers is pricing. Although official figures may vary by region and configuration, industry analysts estimate the base model could start around $35,000 to $45,000. Mid-level trims equipped with additional camping features, upgraded technology, and enhanced comfort packages may reach between $50,000 and $60,000. Fully equipped expedition-focused versions featuring solar power systems, off-road upgrades, premium interiors, and advanced camping equipment could potentially exceed $70,000. While that may seem expensive for a compact camper, it remains significantly more affordable than many larger expedition vehicles and luxury motorhomes currently available. The value proposition largely depends on how you plan to use the vehicle. For travelers seeking a practical, efficient, and adventure-ready camper without the size and complexity of a full motorhome, the Isuzu Micro Expedition Camper offers a compelling package. Its combination of maneuverability, comfort, storage solutions, and off-grid capability could make it an attractive option for solo travelers, couples, and outdoor enthusiasts. Overall, the 2027 Isuzu Micro Expedition Camper appears to be a thoughtfully designed vehicle that embraces the growing trend toward compact adventure travel. It combines practical dimensions, modern technology, flexible living accommodations, and capable performance in a package that is easier to drive and maintain than traditional RVs. For those who enjoy exploring remote destinations while retaining essential comforts, this camper could represent one of the most interesting options in the emerging micro expedition segment. Its efficient use of space, rugged styling, and versatile design make it suitable for a wide variety of travel lifestyles. That brings us to the end of today's review. What do you think about the 2027 Isuzu Micro Expedition Camper? Would you choose this compact adventure vehicle for your next road trip? Or would you prefer a larger camper? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Auto Analysis Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and camper updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.